But first, we turn our attention to the crime prevention picnic. Yeah, that's already coming up. Can you believe it? That is going to be on Saturday, August 4th from 12 to 3 p.m. Where at, you ask? You know where this is. At McKee Farms Park. That's where it's always been. And yeah, of course, this is the annual crime prevention picnic, so you can see emergency vehicle displays and enjoy some light refreshments. Of course, this is free, and a great chance to come out and talk to our officers in the Fitchburg area. That's what it's all surrounding with the National Night Out theme, where you can come together again and talk with the officers, community. It's just a fun event. Looking forward to that. Sticking with our cops, we got Coffee with a Cop coming to the Fitchburg Senior Center. That's right. Stop on by at the Senior Center to enjoy a hot cup of coffee with Fitchburg police officers. Come with your questions, concerns, complaints. They'll take it all. Tuesday, August 21st, 2018. Not 2019, 2018. I don't know why I said that. 11:15 a.m. Be there. It's going to be a good time, and we're hoping to get a crew out for that one as well. I'll bring you some of that funness questions. Maybe I'll just go with my own questions down there, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. All right, I said at the top of the show there's big stuff coming here to Dane County, and it's the CrossFit Games. It returns, the second annual. I mean, it's been going on forever, but yeah, this is going to be crazy. And maybe there's already athletes in town, and if you're watching TF right now, hey, welcome aboard. We love to have you here. This starts August 1st, goes through the 5th. It's over at the Alliant Energy Center. You know where that is. It's on Alliant Energy Center Way. I mean, come on. It's over there. CrossFit Games are the world's premier test to find the fittest person on Earth. They are world renowned as the grueling test for the toughest athletes on Earth, as well as thrilling experience for spectators and more. So yeah, this is going to be great. And the event keeps on growing. So if you didn't make it out there last year, hopefully you can sneak over. And, you know, Fitchburgites, we're right next to it. So why not just sneak on over? And then we can come back home. It's easy peasy. Either way, it's going to be busy around here, so keep an eye on that for traffic and more. Fun event coming up here at have an open house at DC Interiors and Renovations. Yeah, that's right. This is on August 2nd from 5 to 8 p.m. If you don't know where they're located, it's 3000 Cahill, Maine, Suite 215. Not too far away from here. And it says they will be collecting canned foods for the St. Mark's Food Pantry in Madison. So for each donation, you will receive a ticket for a chance to win the grand prize provided by DC Interior Showroom. It's going to be good stuff. Stop on by. Again, that one is on August 2nd. So coming up really fast next week. All right, football fans. Can you... Yes, it's fall already. I know it's coming in quickly. It's just scary to think we're already turning the page to August here. But that means prep football is right around the corner, and I've got your schedules for you. And yeah, it's going to be a great season here. So we start with Verona Area High School. Remember, we're in 3 school districts, so we got three different areas to cover here. And yeah, here's your schedule. A little bit different this year. Got back-to-back. Some years they've done it where it's like back-to-back, you know, home games, or they go every other. This one's like mixed up a little bit. So either way, there is your schedule. I would circle the September 7th one because this schedule, cha-ching, Madison West and Verona, they play at Verona. Just ignore everything I do here. Actually, they play at Madison West. Wow. Madison West and Verona, September 7th. Those are our 2 teams playing against each other. Hello. But it's going to be a good matchup. And, of course, don't forget Oregon. Yeah. They're in the Badger South, if I remember right. And, yeah, they got a grueling schedule as well. Mount Horeb was pretty wicked last year. And, you know, you got all those other teams as well that ones that like Wanakee, DeForest. Ugh. That's all I say. Ugh. By the way, all these games, 7 o'clock p.m. on Friday night. So no matter whether it's the Big 8 or Badger, it's all 7 o'clock p.m. All right, last but not least, all you dairy lovers, you want to take a little field trip? Yeah, you can do that. This is going to be a cool event. Yeah, if you want to go on the Dairy Heifer Grazing Tour, it's your chance to do this. August 8th from 9:30 to 6:30 p.m. This is a full day, folks, by the way. So you're going on a tour to visit 2 large-scale dairies in northeast Wisconsin. These are going to be huge. You'll get on a bus here. Guess where? On the east side of Madison. Lunch is provided. And yeah, you need to get signed up, though, sooner than later here. And for information to do that, it's right there at the bottom of the screen. You can give a call or an email. But get yourself signed up for this, as I'm sure it's filling up fast. But it's going to be fun. Who doesn't like touring our dairy state?